So, I recently copped the 15 Pro Max. Yes, I really did. Despite my previous video as well as other folks on YouTube testing these phones to failure. In my defense, my past videos have been about upgrading from a 14 Pro Max to the 15, and that if you had an older phone, it would be worth the upgrade. Keep in mind, my past phone was a 12 Pro, which is nothing compared to this phone. And public service announcement. To all those people with an iPhone 11, this is the last year for you to get your phone as a trade-in before it drops in value. Once the 16 comes out, that phone is going to be worth half its previous value. I went through the whole process with my phone and found out that an 11 or newer is worth full value, and in the next generation, it's going to be worth half its value. So if you're on the edge, just get it. You'll thank yourself later. If you've been watching in the background the whole time I've been talking, I'm setting up my phone to a look that I've been thinking about for a long time. I envisioned a dark leather case with a matte screen protector and a moody wallpaper with black accents, so that's what I'm doing now. If you want the screen protector and case, it's linked below. I also linked an alternative screen protector that's easier to put on because this one was tough. I made it look easy, but I do this all the time, so I'm used to it. I also linked the second case that I tried on below as well. It's just a different style, lighter, and I wasn't really into it, but I wanted to try it just in case. Just in case. Get it? Oh god. Speaking of black accents, I found these glass black camera covers that protect the back cameras without a sacrifice on quality. I knew even with the case there was a risk that something could happen to shatter the camera lens on the back. I watched it happen with my mom's phone. So I got these, and luckily they're not some gross plate covering for the cameras. Those affect the quality, and every time you want to take off the case, the camera plate comes off with it. So although my screen protectors came with camera covers, I never plan on using them. If you watch any of my previous videos, you know that the 14 Pros and the 15s got a big camera upgrade. So coming up here, I'm going to show you the differences, starting with the 15 Pro Max. I don't think people understand how much of a zoom Apple designed into these phones. This feature is specifically for the 15 Pro Max, so if you get the regular 15 Pro, you won't be able to zoom in this far. The zoom is a 25x zoom, which is now competing with Samsung. When you see 25x on the zoom, in reality, the phone is using the 5x optical zoom on the telephoto camera lens. Nonetheless, it makes zooming in a breeze perfect for concerts. Now you have the competition, the 12 Pro. I was coming from this camera, with the 12 megapixel sensor compared to the 15's 48 megapixel sensor. This means everything that comes out of my camera now is much higher quality. Great for all the normal stuff people use the phone for, and if you're advanced, they take care of you too. I was glad to give this phone in because it was time for a change. For fun, I made a quick little cinematic video with the 15 Pro Max to commemorate the new camera. Enjoy! So there you have it, my 15 Pro Max setup and the camera demo. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. With that all done, you guys, have a great rest of your day, and peace!